Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today you will see by the title of this video, I am doing the Bratz challenge video. Every day for a whole week I am gonna do a Bratz challenge video. I actually wanted to start Monday so it could be like Monday all the way through Sunday, but it didn't work out how I wanted to. So I think I'm gonna come back like every other day and post a video of the Bratz challenge because I want to do 7 looks on my channel. Just because I want to show y'all my looks and I want to do this challenge. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I've been seeing this little challenge go around like everywhere. I seen this actually like a couple months ago and I have pictures saved, but I never got to doing it. Like a simple look, to be honest. It's just the lip that's like bright. I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild flat concealer brush and my Ruby Kisses eyebrow brush. And lately I've been using this pomade, which is from Elf. Hold on, if I could get it out. Hold on. It's this one right here. It's just in the color espresso or espresso, whatever the fuck. Looks like that. I kind of like it because it's not too warm and it's not too cool. So yep, I'm gonna just speed through this real quick because I don't know, I feel like eyebrows are so boring. Like what the fuck. Okay, now that the eyebrows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face because lately guys my face been super fucking dry. I don't know why. I mean, I think it's just because of the weather. So I'm gonna use my Embroyllise moisturizer. You already know I love this, so I put it like everywhere, especially my forehead because it's just been dry, bro. Like this weather is so freaking weird. Like one day it'll be super freaking cold. Look, my daughter's wearing no Pampers, so mind just business. Don't be looking at my daughter's booty if you see it because I'll block you if I say something. Nah, but yeah, my face been real dry, and this combination that I be using just be helping me with the dryness. And my face does get like super red, as you can see whenever I touch it. So don't mind that. I love how moisturizing this shit is. Okay, so after I apply the moisturizer, oh shit, I'm about to drop my bronzer. I go in with a little bit of these primer oil drops, and this is from iMagic. My stores, you know what I'm talking about. But I only put a little bit because I don't like my face to be oily, but my freaking skin needs this. So yeah, I only add just a little bit, especially like right here because I get really dry under my eyes. So I just like to moisturize it, and then I like to like pat it in because it absorbs it. You know what I mean, Jelly? So, oh my god, did y'all just see her? She just cuddled herself in the bed. She's like, Mommy's doing a video. I can't bother her right now. Mommy. Oh, you want me to shut up? You're gonna go night-night? Did y'all hear me? She said, shh. Mama. Mande, mi amor. Mama. Mande. Guys, if you ever wonder how I shave my little bigotito or whatever, I use these little razors that they also sell at the beauty supply store. And I just shave it because we don't need that extra fucking peach fuzz around there. So this works so good for this. Like literally, it takes out the pelitos. Like with the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. And I'm just gonna like pump it all over my face. Now going in again with my Too Faced foundation with might as well concealer, and I'm just gonna put this underneath my under eyes. Now that we already blended out the concealer, I'm gonna go in with the foundation. Like I said, I usually pour a little bit in the cap. This is from MSQ, and I just like kind of pinch it, grab a little bit of the foundation, just a little bit, because it's like super full coverage, and I go over it with on my forehead. You see that? I put it on my cheekbones. So, guys, I always cream contour. Like always. I do not ever not cream contour. Only when like I'm not gonna do, like if I'm going for a natural face, because obviously this is kind of like a heavy contour, and then like I set it with the powder, so it's gonna be too heavy. But I love cream contouring when I know I'm gonna beat the fuck out of my face, because it just lasts longer because of the foundation. The bronzer just lasts longer. It gives you more definition. With my Airspun powder, I'm just gonna set my whole face with this. I'm gonna highlight, and I'm using the Dress Up Taper blending brush, and with my Maybelline, with my MAC Darling, you already know this is my favorite highlighter. I got a new one, so looks like that. And then I mixed it with a little bit of the Milani strobelight, and this is in Sun Glow, because this is more like a champagne-y color, so I like to mix those, because I feel like sometimes this can be a little bit too gold for my skin tone, so I just mix them. I'm gonna put blush on top, and I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. blush, and this one that cracked. So and like just buff everything in, you know, so it could blend together. You see? Alright, so I'm gonna go in with an Oldie But Goodie. This is the Morphe 35M palette. And basically this one has like all the matte colors, warm tone colors that you will ever need. With this brown right here. Oh shit. So I'm gonna go in with this brown. Okay, now with this little flat shader brush, I'm gonna go in with the white shade and just put this on my eyelid. I am not going to cut the crease. Now that we're done with the eyes, it is so simple. I'm gonna do eyeliner. I'm gonna do a wing liner since she does have eyelashes on, and a wing. I'm gonna do that. Okay, the wings are like way off, but whatever, the eyelashes will cover that. So I'm gonna go add a little bit of mascara, and I'll be back with the lashes. So now that the lashes are on, hold on, I think this one's like a little bit high. Bro, my eyelash be fucking stupid sometimes. I don't know, that's the best we're gonna get with these eyelashes too. Alright, so now that the eyelashes are on, it's time for the lips. So the lips is like the most important because it's like basically the whole look of today. And let me get my lip thingies. So I'm gonna go in with some ColourPop liquid lipstick. So first, I'm gonna outline my lips using the Ruby Kisses lip liner in deep red, so it looks like that. Guys, if you know me, I never do dark lips, so this is like kind of weird. Okay. So I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop lipstick, liquid lipstick, and this is in Avenue. Okay, yeah, this is like perfect color. This is like a deep wine shade. Let me put my hair down. I'm gonna wait for it to dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna like change my fit and do my hair a little bit straight so it will match with the picture. But yeah, guys, this is the look I created with the Bratz challenge. Okay, so I just looked at the picture again, and it looks like she has bottom mascara and eyeliner, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that real quick. This is the completed look. Abigail, I didn't really have like a outfit to match it with. Mande, mi amor. So since it is black, I just decided to wear black everything. And then I have my mom's sunglasses up here because, oh shit, hold on. Because I lost mine, so these are what I gotta work with. I'm also talking weird because I got my tongue pierced, guys. So I still have like the large barbell on. Like, it's like the long one, so Abigail! It's like the long one, so it's still like all up in my mouth. But I hope you enjoyed my first Bratz challenge tutorial. I know this was like a simple one, but I wanted to start off with the simple one and then like gradually get better because the last one is gonna be bomb as fuck, guys. Like, y'all ain't even ready. Like, it's gonna be bomb. So don't forget, oh, hold on, let me put on my Barbie mode, my Bratz mode. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, honey, and comment down below what other videos you want to see.